It's so nice to see you. Hiccup! Oh, bother. I've got the hiccups. Hiccup! I must have been eating too fast. Hiccup! I always get hiccups, so Hiccup, you taught me some tricks that sometimes help make his hiccups go away. Hiccup! Would you help me try to get rid of my hiccups? Thank Hiccup you! Trick number 1, breathing very slowly in and out like this. Hiccup! Breathe in and breathe out. Hiccup! Oh, maybe it will help if I think of something sweet. Hiccup! I think it might be better if you breathe along with me. Okay, get ready to do some slow breathing. Hiccup! Breathe in. Breathe out. Honey. One more breath in. And breathe out. Yummy honey. Oh, bother. What was the other trick Eeyore taught me? Think. Hiccup! Oh, I remember. Blowing bubbles. Hiccup! That was the other trick. Ready? Go! Yay! Now my hiccups are gone. That was fun. Makes you want to get them again. Just kidding. Thank you again for helping me out. I suppose it's time to say goodbye, but just until it's time to say hello again.